Highlights of the week. There's some very positive vibe happening in this week, but also some caution to be aware of. I'll navigate you through the week so you will have the best week ever. Become a shining magnet. It's a void period, so everything is in standstill. Not a good time to start new projects or adventures. Therefore, it's the best time to look within and prepare. Listen to what feels right for now or not. Let everything go that's not essential. It is not a time to take on anything new. Intimate, heartfelt connections are easy right now. Therefore, if you have anything on your mind and you would like to get it through, there's an open-mindedness to listen to others, so you'll be heard easier if you have something on your heart you would like to get across to another human being. There is some fiery energy in the air, so we like to get going and get a lot of stuff done, but it can feel overwhelming. Like temper your temper, it's also important to not overdo it. Choose only the essential for now, what is really needed right now, because everything is multiplying. So we can go over the top and wanting to do way too much, thereby overdoing it, and the consequences can be stressful. Also, these too big expectations can lead to being disappointed. So it is always better not to expect too much. In my 9 lives in one, as I'm a cat 9 lives in one, it have taught me not to expect too much from situations and people, and always have a second solution. Like, for example, if you were supposed to go out on dinner and all of a sudden it gets cancelled, or if you were doing a project and things doesn't work out as you want to in your next move, then you can tend to be very disappointed if you haven't prepared. Having patience and accepting that sometimes we do fail. But remember, failing is learning, so you are moving forward, because we are always learning from every mistake we make. And it's necessary to understand it deeper so we can make it way more potent. So when you embrace success as learning periods all in one, being perfectly okay that they both are to happen, and not stressing yourself with having too near deadlines. I always have double time on all my deadlines, so I have time to turn around and get things done better if something intervenes or doesn't work out, so I have to redo it. For example, if you have a meeting, always have enough time if something happens so you can work it out. It would really help me if you like and subscribe and hit that bell so it rings and you will get all the updates. Hereby I also can help uplift others. I'll be very grateful for your help. And thank you for being here in this friendly, caring, adventurous, and open-minded energy. It's a good time to be social and have prepared wonderful meetings and small adventures with friends and family. Also, you have your creative spice out, so use this to reinvent yourself, find new avenues, have an open mind. Use this creativity to sprinkle your day and all your areas with lighter, brighter ways of doing it. Midweek, there will be the void coming in. It's time to rest and recuperate, reflect on where you're going, what does feel right and what does feel off. Because in this void, it's not a time to move forward on anything. It's time to rest and receive the answers. The The universe will always show you little synchronicities and signs, or your body even shows you what's up. If there's anything in your body that feels off, or you have some hurt, it is showing you it's time to rest. Or maybe you feel stressed out, your body will show it too. The same goes for if you're on the right track, you feel this inspiration and twinkling feeling inside of uplifting inspiration. So here in the midweek, you assess, where are you now? Are you good? Are there some areas that need a little twist with a much brighter solution? So you can move forward. So you can move forward with not too much restrictions and obstruction. Of course, if you have to make a move on something, it can happen, but it just takes way more effort. Therefore, it's better to prepare your week and not have too much on Wednesday and Thursday going on. And on top of that, we have this Scorpio energy. So it's all or nothing. We can feel a bit over the top, and other people around us can be in that mode too. So therefore here, be aware that people can overreact, or feel in when you start overreacting and catch yourself in time. Your power lies in you being able to temper your temper. Catch your thoughts in time and be the master of your own reality, not letting yourself be overrun by emotions or what happened in the past may happen again. All these fears and what ifs and may this happen, that can ruin your vibe, that can ruin the moment, because your future is created in this moment. You being able to catch things in time and choose, I want to stay optimistic. I believe and I trust it's all gonna happen, no matter what my little ego mind wants to worry me with. 90% of our worries never happens. So it's a waste of time with all these worries and fears, and it all comes in from the past, what happened to us then. But remember, you have grown so much more since then. Therefore, you have way more experience. And the more you practice catching your thoughts in time and saying, no, this is who I am now. This is what I want to think, feel, and believe in. This is an alignment, what I want to be and do. This is in alignment with the highest version of me. I decide to grow into the highest version of me, while planet Earth is also raising rapidly its vibrations. So if we do not align with these higher, more optimistic and compassionate to ourselves and other vibrations, then we'll just get stuck in the rut of the old that will drag us down. And believe you me, I have had PTSD, near-death experiences, distorted, destructive relationships. I've been through it all as a cat, 9 lives in one. And when you first let yourself drag down in the mud, not trusting that you can stand tall in the riots, in the winds, in the storms, the road up is so long. It is not worth letting yourself go, letting your fears and your worries holding you back, dragging you down. Because every step you take down is also a step you have to take to get up again. So better catch yourself in time. Don't let the thought take the thought that will bring you down. Rather, catch them thoughts and realign to no, I can do this. I trust and believe I am capable. I just need to do it a little slower, take my time. There is no urgency. we are living with this mindset that there's a big urgency, and if we haven't done it like yesterday, then it's already too late. It's not true. There's always time. It's an urgency from yesterday where something happened, but yesterday is not today. Today is a new start in your life, and you can make the difference by choosing an uplifting mindset. And the more you practice cultivating this uplifting mindset, the more it becomes a new, much brighter habit than worrying all the time and dragging yourself down. Because as the earth vibes are raising higher and higher, and the people who stay in too much fear, you see it all around. They become more and more unstable. The same goes for us. When we start getting into that worry mode and spiraling out of control, very fast we have a boomerang effect. And this effect will get worse and worse from now on, because the vibes are so high, and if we go low, the distortion is so big, like we are not attuned to the right radio frequency. This is what it really is. We are a magnetic field, and our emotions are on a frequency. Is it on a higher frequency or is it on a lower frequency? If we go low, it will drag us down, because the higher vibe on this earth is not aligned. It's very out of tune with where you are when you are worrying, when you don't believe in yourself, and if you let everybody step over you and you're like a leaf in the wind going all kinds of directions of what other people want you to do and be. Therefore, cultivate, practice standing firm in yourself. Check in every day. Am I on the right track? Catch your thoughts in time. Every day you are capable. You can do this. I have a powerhouse roadmap for you. In 2 hours, you can be settling into your new future and know exactly how to start it out, inside out. You find it in my descriptions, and let me know, like my other students, how it just brought you so much clarity. Now you see the whole picture. When you understand and you can see where you want to go, how you're actually inside as outside in the physical world, how you can become the person capable of bringing this to life, getting all the nuances needed to truly bringing this to life, like I've done so many times, as I'm a cat, 9 lives in one. This is how I did it every time, and why I'm showing you how you can do it very easily too, no fluff. On this, I wish you a powerful, beaming, expansive week, and may you sway through the obstacles.